If you're overwhelmed by all of the spray sealants, ceramic sprays, and easy protection products right now, you're not alone. So today, I'm breaking down the fastest and easiest ways to protect your car in 2026. What actually works, and without the hyper confusion. Let me show you. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Eric with Charleston Detail. And today we're talking about protection products for your car's exterior. And there are certainly a lot of them out there, but we're gonna break it down today and cover everything from quick detailers with some light protection, all the way to your longer term SiO2-based spray sealants. So really, the easiest way to think about spray protection is how it's applied. Once you understand that, the choice is really simple. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with the option that's the absolute fastest of them all, and that's protection that's applied to wet paint and rinsed off. All three of these products are applied to clean wet paint, and then it's activated by rinsing it off. And so the first of them is Wet Coat, and this is a product that's been around for a number of years. I know I've used it on a ton of details, and these are silica spray sealants, and so they're activated hydrophobically, meaning you spray them onto a clean wet vehicle, and then you rinse it off, and it activates it and provides a ton of hydrophobics and slickness. Geon has kind of been was sort of the front runner in this product line, and there's a ton of other great ones, including CarPro's Hydro 2 Light, which I really like as well. And then another real newcomer, which actually isn't out in the US yet, and that's Koshkemi's Wet Gloss. And this is a really cool product. I'm filming this in January of 2026, so this is set to be released at the end of May. And I've had the opportunity to try it out. My buddy Steve, or Geeky Detail Reviews in the UK, was kind enough to send me this and two of the other unreleased products. So they have them right now in the UK. So for those of you that are in England or in other parts of the UK, I'm jealous. You guys get some great products first. But yeah, this is very similar to the others. You just simply rinse it off. And to me, that's the fastest and easiest of all. It doesn't require any other products like a foam cannon or a pump spray or anything like that. So if you're looking to add some hydrophobics super quickly, this is the way to go. And all three of these are at various different price points. I'll put their prices down below the products. So it can vary a lot. Now CarPro's Hydro 2 Light, they also do in their other variant, their Hydro 2, I believe it's called, that is the concentrate. And so this is the ready to use bottle, and then they also have a concentrate that can be diluted. So that's really cool as well. Now, much like a ceramic coating, these do have SiO2 in them, but just very small amounts. And so Geon boasts about 5% concentrate of the product, versus if you were using an actual true ceramic coating, it's gonna be much, much higher. Those solid concentrations are higher, and that's where you get the cost, right? So it's gonna be much more expensive, but you're gonna have a lot more durability. Now, while these are the fastest to apply, you'll notice that as we go on to some of the products that are applied to dry paint, we are gonna get increased durability. So that's something to think about. It's kind of the trade-off. You get more speed of application, but you're gonna lose some of the durability as you go. All right, y'all, and up next we have two of my absolute favorite ways to add protection to your vehicle. And they're both by Kochchemi. The first is the SO03 Hydrofoam Sealant, and the second is Protector Wax. Now, both of these are unique, but do provide some benefits. This is SiO2 based, so it's gonna last longer. Now, Protector Wax, like the name suggests, is actually carnauba based. So it's basically a mineral oil-free wax concentrate, but it can be applied the same way. So both of these are applied with either a foam cannon or a pump sprayer. I love using a foam cannon because it's super fast and easy. After you get done washing your vehicle, while it's wet, you spray this on, allow it to dwell slightly, and then rinse it off. So, both are really fantastic. The SO03 was really my favorite for a while because it's very durable, but Protector Wax, if you watch my favorite products of 2025, I'll put it right here. I actually, had this as my favorite. So, and it's of course not as durable. And that's why ceramic coatings have really taken off over the last several years, is because they are super durable. And you've seen some crazy claims, 8, 10 years. And I think that's a bit exaggerated. I don't think that's really possible. I think somewhere around the 3 or 4 year mark on quality ceramic coatings is much more practical. And of course, like all of these products, it all depends on how you wash your vehicle. Is it garage kept? What sort of weather or climate do you live in? So all that's going to affect how long protection is going to last on your vehicle. So something to think about. But I love both of these products. I don't think you could go wrong with either. If you're looking for a product like this that's applied with a sprayer or foam cannon, you're gonna get more durability out of the SO03, but I think you get some deeper, richer gloss with protector wax. So, it's kind of a trade-off. Just like all of these products, you kind of trade one thing for something else, whether it's a little bit faster to apply, or maybe it lasts a little bit longer, or something like that. Now, both of these products come in at around $40. They are concentrates, so they do last a little while, but they are on the more expensive side. But these products, much like all the products we're featuring today, they're professional detailing products. So if you're looking for super economical ways, there are other ways. That's something I'm not necessarily featuring in this video, but I might in a future video. But these are definitely, your premium options, and kind of showing you the full spectrum from fastest to slightly less fast. All right, y'all, so next up we have two products that can actually be applied to either wet or dry paint. And they can be used as drying aids, quick detailers, or just adding a little bit of protection to your vehicle. So the first up is Phoenix COD's Titan Hybrid Detailer. And I love Phoenix COD's products. They have a ton of great products and are honestly slept on a lot. So I think this product really gets the most flexible award. It has the best balance of gloss, hydrophobics, slickness, and durability, and at a really decent price point. Sits around $19.99. All right, next up we have Amplify SiO2 Detailer by Armor Detail Supply. And this is another great product of theirs, has some really high quality SiO2 raws, and has a great blend of hydrophobics and some really, really good gloss boosters. So for a quick detailer, this works really well. Both of these are my absolute go-tos when I'm looking for a quick detailer or drying aid with a little bit of protection. Now, both of these are fairly comparable in price and their durability claims. So both are about 20 bucks and looking about 4 to 6 weeks of durability. All right, and next up we have some real powerhouse spray sealants. And these are, in my opinion, just about as close as you're gonna get to a ceramic coating. Of course, they're not ceramic coatings. You're not gonna get near the durability that you would from a true ceramic coating, but the concentrations of the raw materials are much higher, and you're gonna be applying these all to dry paint. So you're gonna get your vehicle clean, just like all of these products. You need a clean vehicle. But these, you're gonna wanna dry the vehicle and then apply it with a cloth and buff off. So all of these have some slightly different benefits and sit at some different price points for sure. All right, and first up we have one of my favorite spray sealants, and that's the ceramic spray sealant from Armor Detail Supply. And this is a really awesome product. It has super high concentrations of SiO2 and siloxane resins and polymers. So really good quality materials in there, like all of Armor Detail Supply's products. But yeah, super high quality. You're gonna get, they say, up to 6 months of protection, which of course, once again, all depends on how you keep the vehicle, how you maintain it, etc. But those are their claims on that. Does add some extra slickness, gloss. So like all these products, you can use them as a topper or as standalone protection. All right, so next up we have a product from one of my favorite brands, and that's Garage Therapy's Sigma V3. And this is really, really cool product. They've really pushed the gloss factor in this product. You have some really high quality raws, and probably the best balance of hydrophobics to gloss in this category. And next up we have another Koch Chemie product, and this is their SO02 spray sealant. And I've been really impressed with not only the durability of this product, but the slickness. It is incredibly slick. And it's applied the same way as all of these with a cloth to dry paint, but gets you a ton of hydrophobics, some decent gloss, but the slickness is unparalleled. Now, durability claims on the SO02 are around 12 weeks, which is, I also feel, a little on the high side, but it's still fairly close. And this is also the most expensive of these three products. So I think Armor Detail Supplies around $24.99. This is around $30, and this is around $35, I think. I'll go ahead and put the prices below. But once again, these are professional products. They are expensive, but I think you pay for what you get. And especially products that are using true high quality raws, that's not gonna come cheap. So that's one way to know if you're actually getting a good quality product a lot of times, especially if it's SiO2 based. So those are expensive raws, and it usually reflects in the price, whether you're getting a spray SiO2 product or a true ceramic coating, like in the little glass bottles. Now, while these aren't quite as fast to apply as something like Protector Wax or Wet Coat, they are still pretty quick to apply, and you're gonna get far more durability than you would for any of those products. So that's something to think about. All right, y'all, and next up we have a bit of a bonus category with two fairly niche products. And the first is Koch Chemie's Ceramic Effect Shampoo. And this is a really cool product that adds some protection just by washing your vehicle. And so this is intended to use in a wash bucket. So if you had a really, really dirty vehicle, I don't know if I would necessarily recommend it, but as far as a maintenance wash, I think this is perfect. But you put it in your wash bucket, you wash the entire vehicle, and then it's gonna add some really insane hydrophobics. And I mean really, really good hydrophobics. In fact, maybe arguably some of the best out of any of these products, but the durability is not really there. You know, they say that it can last a few washes, realistically maybe a couple weeks. So, but super cool product, really fast way to add a little bit of protection and wash your vehicle at the same time. All right, the next product up is for external glass, and that's CarPro's Clarify Phobic. And this isn't necessarily an SiO2 based product. They don't specify that I can see, but it does add a ton of slickness and hydrophobics to your external glass. So you can use this on uncoated glass, as a topper for coated glass, whatever you want, but super slick glass cleaner slash hydrophobic protectant. All right, y'all, so I hope that helped break it down for you. And so the real takeaway here is spray protection isn't about necessarily chasing the longest durability or the newest label. It's about finding the product that works best for the way that you wash and maintain your vehicle. So if you wash your vehicle often and you want to stick with something quick and easy, you know, something like Wet Coat or Wet Gloss, that's going to work well for you. But if you maintain your vehicle often and you want to just stick with something in the wash process, hey, use something like Ceramic Effect Shampoo. Or if you want the ultimate durability and you don't mind spending a little extra time, going for something like SO02 is going to be your best case. So really, there's not necessarily a right or wrong, it's what's going to work for you and how do you want to use the product. Now, I want you to tell me what protection products you use to maintain your vehicle. Is it one of these? Is it something else? Definitely let me know that in the comments. And if you found this video useful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now up next, YouTube thinks that you should watch this video, so why don't you check it out?